Question 14. Which equation represents the line shown on the coordinate grid below? Alright, first things first, we're going to look, is our slope uphill or downhill? If it's going up, that means our y is increasing as our x is increasing. So we have a positive slope. So our slope has to be positive. So we can eliminate C and D simply because they have a negative slope. Alright? Then we're going to look and we're going to see our y-intercept. That is where our line crosses the y-axis. That is at -2. Therefore, our y-intercept is -2. Remember, when we have y equals mx plus b, b is your y-intercept. And our answer will have to have a -2 there. A is our answer choice. And if we wanted to double check with our slope it goes from -2 to 0. So my rise would be -2. And my run goes from 0 to 5. So my run would be that's a +2. It goes up. It goes from -2 to 0. My bad. My my run would go up by a +5. So it would be a +2/5 because my y increased by 2 and my run increased by 5.